Hi everybody, just a little video about a radio that I've actually got it on eBay at the moment, but just before I sell it off I thought I'd do a little video on it to show you all about it. It's the Kenwood TM-251E, which is TX RX 2 meters, but RX also on 70 SEMS and capable of running full duplex, which means that you can use it on satellites like SO50 and other FM satellites, which you're listening onto 70 SEMS transmitted on 2 meters. So very handy for that. I'll just show you getting into the menus on this thing is great fun. But I would suggest that you refer to the manual, because that's what I'll have to do during the video. But hang on a minute, we'll just go there. This extensive manual on here. But anyway, you've got 3 power levels. You've got mid, low. Low is 5 watts. And mid is 12 watts, or 10 watts, sorry. And high should be 50 watts, but on this one it's 30. I'm not sure why. We had it on the bench, on a Stabilock and everything, but it's giving out 30 watts. But that's that's the only downside with this one, really. Apart from that, but you don't even need that much. You can run it on low power if you're using it for the satellites, which is the best thing for it. Regarding, like you see there, it says tone. Now I don't think it has the TSU-8 additional module in it for CTCSS. However, if you press function and then tone, then you can input the tone that your local repeater is using, so that's fine. So you press that and now that's in, and you can, if you follow the instructions in the manual, then you can save that to the memory. But it says in the manual that you should be able to press 0, there's nothing. Press tone and then press it again and it should change to CTCS. Yes, but it doesn't. It only changes the tone, but it does open the repeaters. So, it seems to work. So, I'm at a bit of a loss with that one. Anyway, it's very, very simplistic on the front, this radio. Very simplistic. But as you can see, the manual's pretty extensive. So you've got menu B and menu A. So to access menu A, you press F for 1 second. And then you go. You're in menu A. And then you've got brightness, beeps, step size. Hang on, let's just run through them. Alright, so you've got brightness. Which one are we on there? Menu 3. APO. So automatic power off, that's off. So you can go to the next one. This is switching on full duplex if you want it. The next one is scan resume. The next one is the scan. S meter squelch. The transmit offset. You can set that up. Tone alarms. Display mode. AM FM mode, I believe. That's what it says in the book, but only when the main band is expanded to receive coverage outside the amateur radio bands. Anyway, so which one's that? That's the beep on. That's the dimmer. So we can come out of that. That's menu A. Then menu B. Right, this is one where you have to turn the radio off. And then you press reverse. Oh, I need more hands. Haha. Right, hold down reverse and switch on. And I missed. Alright, let me put the camera down quickly. Okay, now we're in. So that's holding reverse down. So that's remote control mode. 51 is automatic page cancel, open page, DTSSS. Oh, there's all kinds of serious ones you don't really want to mess with, to be honest. What's that one? That's 57. That's the data. So that's cat connection baud rate. On a little radio like this, you got cat connection. What else interesting on here we got? Programming is scan bands. DTMF memory store, so that's 65. That's your DTMF there. Yeah, so there's lots of like stuff that you probably wouldn't even mess with, to be honest. Anyway, come out of that, turn it off, turn it back on. There you go. So as I say, it opens up the repeaters, no problem at all. There you go. M0 NMC testing access on the repeater. Let's try the one that's 50 miles away. I have to change the tone on that one, so we change the tone to a 94.8 tone. It's M0 NMC calling on TR for anybody, just for a quick radio check, please. M0 NMC calling on TR for a radio check. Any takers? It's surprisingly quiet, but I can prove that it's working if I switch this one on and go. Oh, it's desensing that one. All right, let's go to low power. Let's see if it's still desensing it. What are we doing? 144. Let's just have a look. I'm just setting up my other radio here. Let's see if I can hear myself coming through. I was transmitting on 1, and I just to prove there's audio. It's just desensing. Hang on a minute. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There we go. So there's definitely audio going out for anybody who's considering having this little beast off of me. Alright, so audio out, tones does work. You go into the extensive manual and it will tell you how to save it all into the memory, and then you should be able to save the tones in there as well. But anyway, nice little radio, ideal for working the Leo FM sats that have got 77s downlink and 2 meters uplink. So anyway, there it is, the Kenwood TM-251E that has now become surplus to requirements for me. Catch you later on, 73s.